Introduction to the concept of sustainability and of the subdomains that it deploys. Sustainability or sustainable development is a broad issue which has attracted major attention and debate, so its definition varies among scholars and organizations. We will adapt a definition from the Our Common Future report, also known as Brundtland Report, in 1987. Sustainable development is the development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. Sustainability deploys in three areas, also known as the three bottom lines: social sustainability, financial sustainability, and environmental sustainability. Social sustainability. Textiles are produced in the developing world, but for companies from Europe and North America. This is common for manufacturing in general, but is more evident in textiles and fashion industry. This phenomenon imposes significant social parameter in the sector because the vast amount of added value goes to the rich societies while the poorer ones suffer from the vast amount of harmful consequences. The horrible series of accidents in Ali Enterprises and Tazreen Daha in 1912 in Pakistan and in Savar Rana Plaza in Bangladesh in 2013 have set a basis for wide consideration on the social aspect of fashion business. Financial sustainability is aiming at a shift of the current development paradigm in a global level. It is true that economic development and environmental conditions are following opposite directions. The developed societies have maintained economic growth by outsourcing environmental degradation to the developing countries. But this is unfair, fosters poverty and social exclusion, and in fact cannot go on in a globalized environment. This is the target of financial sustainability, a change in the current development paradigm so that poverty on a global basis will be eliminated without harnessing any more the environmental and disturbing the social cohesion. Environmental sustainability. The debate on environmental footprint of the textiles and clothing sector is wide and long. The sector is big in both aspects. A big industry that is consumer of natural resources and a big polluter. According to EPA, the domestic textile wastes, including rubber and leather, is 9.5% of total domestic weight production. That equals to 25 million tons for 2014. Textiles alone, domestic waste production, are 16.22 million tons, and 16.2% are recycled, 19.4% are combusted to energy recovery, and 64.5% are landfilled. United Nations have set 17 goals for a sustainable future, and they are the product of a long and old discussion. These goals have to be met by 2030 on a global basis. They are a complete and coherent set of interconnecting goals that consist a global plan for sustainability on a global level and are a basis for a small-scale local action for companies, organizations, social groups, and entities that want to be active on sustainability. We will only present them briefly. Learners who wish to learn more and in depth about the targets can refer to the additional resources that we provide. 1. No poverty. 2. Zero hunger. 3. Good health and well-being. 4. Quality education. 5. Gender equality. 6. Clean water and sanitation. 7. Affordable and clean energy. 8. Decent work and economic growth. 9. Industry, innovation, and infrastructure. 10. Require reduced inequalities. 11. Sustainable cities and communities. 12. Responsible consumption and production. 13. Climate action. 14. Life below water. 15. Life on land. 16. Peace, justice, and strong institutions. 17. Partnership for the goals. On a business corporate level, sustainability is related to the following drivers: social impact of the business with a focus on our customer base, but also to our stakeholders. Business strategy to implement the sustainability plan. Economic viability of the sustainability plan and capacity to deliver it. Monitoring and adaptation. An effective combination of all these 5 is needed in order to implement a plan for sustainability. Conclusion: sustainable development is the new paradigm for global development. Textiles and clothing are in the center of the debate of sustainable development. Everyone involved in this sector should create a strategy and implement a plan for sustainable development.